Hello, welcome everybody to this 10-minute pranayama session for gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most important, most beautiful, most radically healing and powerful energies that we can tap into. I would say more than practicing gratitude as an event, gratitude should become like the baseline frequency of your life, where you're greeting life with this sense of love, with this sense of gratitude, with this sense of openness to see what miracle is going to happen next. So, to dive into that today, we're going to do a few standing exercises. Then we're going to sit down and do a little short seated meditation on the topic of gratitude. So, we're going to start out by shaking it out. So, shake, 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 laugh, run, move up, move down, whatever gets the energy moving, the blood circulating, and the life force flowing. And then come back into your neutral position. Place your hands at your heart. Before we enter into the second standing exercise, close your eyes. Feel into something that you're extremely grateful for. It can be a friendship or a relationship, a job opportunity. Can be the sun, can be the stars, can be beautiful warm nights, can be a country or a place. And just really nurture that gratitude. Feel like it's spilling out from your heart into every cell of your body. And you're coming in tune with this frequency called gratitude. It's like every cell in the body is just awake in reverence to life. And then with your eyes still closed, as you inhale, you just reach your hands up towards the sky. Feel like you're actively receiving. As you exhale, hands come back to heart center, and you're going more inward in the feeling of gratitude. And you're breathing in again, receiving from life, air, vitality, health, strength. You're coming back to your heart center. You're drawing a little bit more inward. Find your flow. Connect to your breath. Connect to your own intention. Feel the power of gratitude spilling out from your heart into the universe, into life. Gratitude even to be able to move the body, to breathe, to move the breath. This beautiful synchronization of the breath and the body that is life. Prana, life force. And the next time you come to the receiving position, arms in the air, just hold it for a moment. You can let the breath move. You don't have to hold the breath, but just hold this position of being open in your body, open in your mind, open in your heart, open in your spirit to what's possible in this moment, in this life. Gratitude. Showering, And then slowly bring your hands back down to heart center. For a moment, just drop them by your sides, palms facing forward. Close your eyes, relax the body. Integrate the experience. Feel all those cells alive with gratitude. The body itself like it's bowed in reverence to life. And you're relaxing, witnessing, seeing this beautiful dance of gratitude as it unfolds. And slowly blinking open your eyes, we'll transition from standing into a seated position. And once you've come down into that seated position, take a moment to arrive, close your eyes, scan the body. Make sure the whole body is completely relaxed. Everything soft, receptive. And if you like, we can play a little game called Seaweed, where we just gently rock back and forth, really feeling like you're being moved by the ocean, and you're just not even moving on purpose, you're being moved, and all of the cells are open, and then you find this nice, straight, tall, long position like you're reaching up towards the sun. All the pores of the body are open, receptive, and you're just here. Empty, and yet profoundly full. And in yoga, we refer to the physical body as annamaya kosha, that body which is made of food. We'll start this meditation on gratitude just thinking about the fact that every single day, most of us need kilograms and kilograms of food and fresh water. And that comes from the soil, from the earth, but it also needs people to tend to it, farmers, people to move it from the farms to wherever it is that we buy it, someone to sell it to us to bring it home, maybe someone to prepare it. Every single day. So much goes in to keep this body alive and healthy and happy and strong. And gratitude for this body, gratitude for the food, gratitude for all the people involved in that process. And taking a moment now to feel into our breath, which is also a source of vitality, a miraculous living, constantly moving, constantly changing stream of life force that's always there, whether we're aware of it or not. Each breath is like a gift. At the end of life, the last breath, exhalation. Every breath between now and then has been gifted to us by life. What a precious, profound, and beautiful gift is life. And to all the circumstances in our life that support us in our own spiritual journey. That can be places, people, techniques. Think of everything since you were a child that brought you forward on your journey. How much love and care goes into the creation of one single life. And there are billions of lives on this planet alone. Each one handcrafted with love. Comb through your life for a moment for all of these people, places, things that have enriched your journey. And try to give each one a little bit of gratitude, a little bit of love, a little bit of thanks. Like pictures in the storybook passing. Just see them and bow in reverence and gratitude for what they've brought on the journey. And let's just spend a few minutes in silence, just really experiencing the depth and the power of gratitude of mind, body, and even in the soul. The frequency of gratitude in every cell of our body and in our heart. come now towards the end of our meditation, but I would encourage you to just keep the sense of the profound miraculousness of life. Even in the very next moment, we don't know what will happen. Endless possibilities. And everything that comes, meet it with a frequency of gratitude. Thank you to life. Thank you to all that we've been given, all of the gifts, for food, for friends, for air, for breath, for life, for the gifts that are so powerfully and beautifully given to us, so that we might find in our hearts the ability, the strength and the courage to greet life as the blessing that it is. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.